What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. It's finally here. It's time to talk about the 2020 TRD Pro 4Runner. One thing that's new, a new color is available, Army Green, which this one is not, but this is also a new color available on the Pro, Magnetic Gray Metallic. You know, a lot's the same from last year. The wheels are the same. It has the awesome Nito Terra Grappler all-terrain tires. I'm really glad to see that they stuck with this as the Pro exclusive roof rack, kind of a throwback off the old FJ Cruiser. We've got TRD Pro badging. Now this is new, catback exhaust system, TRD. This one has optional, they call them trail running boards. I kind of like the look of it over the Predator myself. TRD Pro is going to get this exclusive heritage style grille. Now this is a 2020, so we've got the Toyota Safety Sense now. You've got LED fog lights for the Pro model, as well as this TRD skid plate underneath. The Pros all do come with the moonroof as well. Again, the TRD Pro badging. Let's talk about another 20 upgrade, smart keyless entry. So we've got these buttons here now, like the old Limiteds, for rolling up and down your rear window. Key just needs to be in your pocket. Of course, we got the built-in inverter. We've also got the JBL premium stereo system with built-in subwoofer. Full tow package, 5,000 pound tow capacity for this vehicle. The Pros are leather wrapped seating surfaces. Also new for the 20, you got these fast charging USB ports back here. All TRD Pros are also 5-passenger, no third row seat available on a Pro. Small little detail here too. On the 19 and 20 Pros, the insert for your hood scoop is black. So yeah. Of course, we have a full power driver's seat, all your power options. New for 20 is the push button start. Larger display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Also new for 2020 is the dual zone automatic climate control for the Pro. Up here we've got your crawl control, rear differential lock, home link system, Toyota connected services as well on this vehicle. Currently sitting at 3 miles. This one's not lifted, it's just a stock TRD Pro besides those options I mentioned. It's priced just under $52,000. We do have a big event going on for October 12th. We're calling it Trucktober. Here at Gresham Toyota, we outfit a lot of vehicles. So I've got over 25 lifted trucks and SUVs already on the lot. Here's one of them right here. 2020 SR5 Premium with a 3-inch lift on it. Over here I got a 2020 Crew Max Limited Tundra with a 3-inch lift. I got a bunch. They're all over the place. Anyways, October 12th, Trucktober, down here at Gresham Toyota. If you're in the Pacific Northwest, come on down. We're having a big sale that day. If you have any questions about any of the vehicles, hit me up in the comments, or you can call me at the number below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. Have a great day.